Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the biggest consumers of space. Open Settings General, iPad Storage, and scan the list. This shows apps, media, and caches ranked by size. Next, enable iCloud Photos or transfer recent photos and videos to your computer to free immediate gigabytes. Then use Offload unused apps or manually remove big apps you rarely use. Offloading preserves app data while removing the binary. Once done, check storage again to confirm the first real gains. Now move into deeper housekeeping. Clear Safari cache and website data to remove hidden gigabytes from browsing. Also delete offline reading list items. For photos and videos, remove duplicates, export RAWs you don't need, and convert or record future clips in /HEVC to save space. Open messages and sort by conversations, tapping details to remove big attachments. Then enable auto-delete for older messages. Choose 30 or 365 days depending on your needs. Make sure to empty recently deleted albums to reclaim storage. Finish by creating a fresh backup to iCloud or your computer so you can remove more aggressively without fear. Restart the iPad to force the system to recalc free space. For apps that still report huge sizes, clear in-app caches or reinstall them. If storage remains stubborn, sign out and back into iCloud to reset cloud metadata, or use Transfer or Reset iPad as a last resort after backing up. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers don't change, reinstall the problematic app or contact Apple support for stuck system storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.